Read and write the paragraph using proper words in blanks. खाली दिलेला उतारा रिकाम्या जागी योग्य शब्द भरून वाचा व लिहा.
Once upon a time, there was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water. He saw a pot in the garden. There was a little water in it. He could not drink it. He thought of a plan. He put some stones into it. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away.
Very good. Read and write the paragraph using proper words. खाली दिलेला उतारा योग्य शब्द लिहून वाचा व पुन्हा लिहा. Read and practice the given cards in pairs. पुढील कार्ड वाचन करून दोघांमध्ये सराव करा व वहीत लिहा.